Hi everyone. Welcome to our English learning video. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. Today we're talking about modal verbs, can, could, and should.
These are small words, but they're super useful in English. They help us express ability, possibilities, permission, and even advice.
Yes. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand when to use each of these modal verbs in your everyday conversations. Ready to get started?
Let's go.
Let's start with can. This modal verb has three main uses: to talk about abilities, give permission, and ask for permission.
Can is perfect for talking about what you are able to do. For example, I can speak English.
Or she can swim. Here, we're talking about something someone knows how to do.
Try thinking of things you can do. Maybe you can cook, draw, or dance.
Take a moment to think about it. What can you do?
Can you play the guitar?
Yes, I can. Can you?
No, I can't, but I can sing a little.
Can is also common when asking for permission in informal situations. For example, can I borrow your pen?
Exactly. Here, can is less formal than may, but it's still polite and very common. Can I sit here?
Sure, you can. And lastly, we use can to give permission. For example, you can go now.
Right. So, if someone asks can I leave early? You might say yes you can.
Can I leave now?
Yes you can.
Now let's move to could. Could is a past form of can, but it's also used in a few other ways.
When talking about abilities in the past, we often use could. For example, when I was young, I could run very fast.
Or, she could play the piano when she was a child. Could you read when you were 3 years old?
No, but I could write my name.
Could is also useful for polite requests. For example, could you please open the window?
It's softer than canned and sounds more polite. Could you pass me the salt, please?
Of course. We also use could to talk about things that are possible. For instance, it could rain tomorrow.
Right. Here, could shows that something might happen.
Do you think we could win the game?
It's possible. We could.
Next, let's look at should. This modal verb is great for giving advice or expressing what's best to do.
When we want to tell someone what we think is a good idea, we use should. For example, you should eat more vegetables.
Or, you should study if you want to pass the test.
I feel tired all the time.
You should get more sleep. Shoulds can also show that we expect something to happen. For instance, he should be here by now.
Yes. It means we think something is likely or appropriate.
He bus should arrive soon.
Yes, it should.
Let's review what we've learned today. Canned is for ability, permission, and informal requests. Could is for past ability, polite requests, and possibilities. Should is for giving advice or stating expectations.
Now let's practice. I'll say a situation and you decide if it's best to use can, could, or should.
Great job, everyone. Now you know how to use can, could, and should in English.
Remember to keep practicing. Use these words when you're speaking English to feel more comfortable with them.
We'll see you next time with more English lessons.
Thanks for watching and happy learning.